Happy December. I hope that you are enjoying your holiday season. As we wrap up 2025, I wanted to give you a quick, helpful recap of what happened in our real estate market this year and what the experts are predicting as we head into 2026. This will give you a really clear picture of what's going on. So let's start with 2025. This year brought a mix of shifting mortgage rates, growing inventory, and a steady demand from buyers moving out of state into Florida and especially into our Tampa Bay area. Prices have stayed pretty stable to slightly higher throughout the year. We didn't see any wild spikes like we saw in 2021 and 22, but we also didn't see any major declines. Instead, the market settled into a healthier, more balanced pace. Sellers who priced correctly and prepared their home well saw strong activity. Now, for the first time in a few years, inventory has actually increased. More homeowners felt comfortable listing, and that gave buyers more choices. We still aren't in a high inventory market, though. We're just simply inching closer to normal. Buyers stayed really active this year, especially as mortgage rates started dropping from their peak. We saw a boost in mortgage applications towards the end of 25, which is usually a sign that buyers are preparing for their upcoming season. Instead of a roller coaster market, this year was more of a reset year, bringing us back to more predictable and sustainable trends. Interest rates have been one of the biggest conversations all year. At the start of 2025, rates were sitting at some of the highest levels that we have seen in years. 7%, some people even into the 8s. But throughout the year, they've trended downward as inflation has cooled and economic forecasts have improved. Right now, they're sitting in the high 5%. Most experts say that rates will continue to ease into 2026. And that doesn't mean we're going to go back to the 3% mortgage days, but buyers and sellers should have more breathing room. Even a small rate drop can make a huge difference in monthly payments and affordability. Now, here's what most economists and housing analysts are expecting moving into 2026. Rates should keep gradually improving, nothing dramatic, but enough to bring more buyers off the sidelines. As rates come down, more homeowners who have been stuck in their low-rate mortgages will finally feel comfortable making a move. This means more inventory and possibly more competition for sellers. Florida, and especially our Tampa Bay area, continues to attract new residents. With better affordability and more options on the market, buyer activity is expected to strengthen in 2026. The frenzy is gone, but so are the fears of a crash. We're heading into a market where both buyers and sellers can succeed with the right strategy. So, whether you are thinking about buying, selling, investing, or just keeping tabs on your home's value this year, 2026 is shaping up to be a much more encouraging year. If you ever want an update on your home, advice on timing your move, or just somebody to bounce ideas off of, I am always here to help. Thank you so much for being a part of our real estate family. And as always, we greatly appreciate your referrals to friends and family looking to buy or sell. I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a wonderful start to the new year.